So, we have these two who are new. It's a mum and her son. Trying to figure out who's who. This white one here, he's a new one. There's your one, obviously. There's your yellow one there. They're all going crazy over here. He's a new yellow one. It's a boy. So it's that blue one there, that's a new one. He's lovely. New male. So we got we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 new ones. A white and a blue, 2 mother and the son, the yellow, the dark blue. Yeah. 4 males. Is it 4 males and a female?
Who?
The Budgies. It's 4 males and a female, isn't it? The mum and her son.
Yeah.
The mum and the young Budgie, which we think is a male. This new yellow and green one, sitting right in front of us. He's a male. He's a male. That new white and blue one, he's got a blue chest, very faint but it's pretty. And there's the fat showbird waddling around down there. She's hilarious. And we've got one of those, Adam's built that. He built a really tall one inside, I showed you before. Yeah, so they're all really nice. That blue one's lovely, he's really nice, and I hope he pairs up with someone, make some good looking babies. Alright, hope you've enjoyed the tour. Huh? I don't know what he's doing, but open up, say hello.
Hi.
And that's the tour of the Budgies. Hope you liked it. Bye.